the quality of that fork is way better than what I had.
This is where the magic happened. You're in the right place.
Shit, I compare it to the Summit 83. You feel that? Huh? You feel the floor?
It's like Christmas here at Powerful Lithium. So one will soon be completed. It comes with handlebars, SOTION display, and this over here is the wheel that they'll be using. Nice thick rotor and some motorcycle grade calipers. These are the triple trees. I like the handlebars. Reminds me of what do they call them? Pit bike. It's heavy.
It's plastic.
No, it's the big guy on
I don't know if I'm gonna use it.
That's the plugs.
Really? Doesn't this protect the piece of the shock that goes up and down?
To take this off though. You put Kia.
Really? Oh, okay. I can't do that. And here's the throttle.
Yeah.
And a boost button. So this is your bearings. Both of them the same, one on top, one on the bottom. They will stick a little bit, but heavy duty thing.
Nice and thick. Yeah, definitely. Thick.
All right, so what are we doing over here? Is this where you're gonna store the?
Step down.
You're gonna store it inside here?
Yeah, why not?
And what's gonna keep? I'm just asking. I'm not saying it's bad.
Sounds like
I'm
sound like,
I'm shocked.
it sounds like
How are you gonna secure this?
What do you mean?
3M tape? Oh, you're gonna screw it in place. You're not just gonna leave it in there like that. No, you're not. No, you're not, B. You're not gonna do that, right?
I did already.
That's it. It's done. Oh wow.
This is Johnny. This is for now. We're gonna have more work on this bike. For now, I just want to make sure that this display works and that key on/off works and that show us voltage. But on this bike, we need to make brackets for the lights. We need to install the new lights. We need to install switches for the lights and tail light. Okay. So that's why just for now, we need to put in line fuse, so many things we have to do. This is just for now, that he can use those couple days until he decide what kind of lights he want to have and until we do another work for this bike.
What light are you gonna use?
Yeah, that's what he said until I figure out.
fucking guy.
Oh man.
Thank you, Santos, for following.
All right, so you said that this display is working. You turned it on already?
Turns on. He's gonna turn it on for you in a minute. Maybe.
Was it hard to wire this up?
When person knows what you have to do, nothing is hard.
I like that.
When you know math, you know math. When you don't know math, it's hard. Step down dead.
Why is that funny?
Was it brand new?
Who wired it up? Does that person know math?
No, I did, but the step down doesn't work.
All right, now that you dropped that step down that shaft, how are you gonna get it out?
Easy.
Hook. Solder? This is like solder, the trick for everything?
Yes.
I don't know. I don't think that's gonna work. When you dropped it, you wedged it in there good. Fishing.
Are you kidding me?
No, it doesn't work.
Wait,
And I was mad.
wait.
I was mad in myself because I saw this connector that is male. And I'm thinking that someone put this connector on the battery side all the time. I didn't see that this coming from the controller. That's why, like in my head, like why someone did, like I thought my guys did male on the battery, that's against the standard. So, and it's not, thanks God.
So do we owe your guys an apology?
No,
No, I didn't say anyone.
Oh, you didn't yell at them yet?
No, this is good then. Let's try.
maybe it'd be a great success. Maybe.
Hopefully not.
Andy, what is wrong with you?
Too late, Johnny.
Great success.
What's next, V?
You don't plug it first.
Oh no, the step down is good. What's next?
You see display?
No, it's off.
Display showing on. And then we turn on this. And now, see? Percentage. We have
But is it
eco,
accurate?
eco, sport, race.
How come I only got eco and sport?
Because you're not racer.
And it's miles per hour.
Look,
Yeah, but you gotta find out the
Oh,
you wanna race?
I want to get a close up of that. Damn, that sounds good. You gonna do that again? Damn, the whole floor is shaking.
So this is, check the speed. Level 1, showing 130 miles an hour, right?
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna change tune. And check now, level 1 was showing. We adjusted. Holy shit.
I compare it to the
783.
You feel that?
Huh?
You feel the floor?
83.
All right. Fuck, I wish I rode today. I could ride alongside you. Wait a minute. Does this mean you're gonna beat me now in a race?
no. I can't compete with you. Your bike is too fast. I'll be behind you, right behind you.
All right. So what's that for?
Inline fuse for 12 volts, step down. You remember I mentioned earlier that we need inline fuse. So this inline fuse will be between step down and battery.
And where are you gonna mount that?
For now, nowhere for now. And now, this is how it's gonna turn off display also on this. For now. This is everything for now. Just because he wanna use the bike
That shit on purpose, didn't you?
for time being.
So that I want this shit.
And now, since we know everything works, now I can
Close it up.
shove again this guy down. I have to solder one wire on the side, put back together everything, and we good.
You good for right?
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, this goes inside, 1 by 1 wire. We have tiny hole, but hole is our expertise, you know.
Yeah. You can do it.
Hold on, who's gonna help you?
It's a little bit tiny hole, but that's what we love.
Those are the best. Now you know I can't use any of that, right?
Why?
Because it's not nice.
Why is that nice?
It's like, what is it? Not sexual. It's
Yeah, I got
Very
it.
sexual.
I got it one hole done. Now another hole. Why, Santos?
why?
Yo,
You don't love me.
another hole done.
You're a beast. You are a
Is
beast.
this what you're looking for?
Drop it like this, huh?
Drive it like a hop.
All right, looks like you're just about getting ready to get out of here. This is nice. Wait, hold it.
Look at this work. That's me.
Y el otro.
Todo bien.
No, look at what you're doing. You got it on the Allen.
Sorry.
I think you're good.
Oh, watch.
Mother, why would you do that?
What?
This guy.
Finally, after
How long? How long did it
After
take?
3 hours later,
Of who?
finally
of who
seat
trying?
is installed.
Of who trying?
After 3 hours later, nice, great success.
You did it.
High five. Now it looks a lot better. A lot better.
Look, from the side, it looks like it's straight.
It's still a little bit up front part, but it's good.
Yeah, I thought it would be. I thought that was a lot.
Right now, look.
No, I will adjust that. Don't worry about that part.
Oh, yeah, I thought it was. Yeah,
That's a
It
lot.
is.
Huge
it's
difference.
about right.
It's fine.
Yep.
Okay, step up. Thank you.
It's the quality of that fork is way better than what I had earlier.
All right, so the whole front end, the whole assembly is from SOTION,
Yes.
right?
And the rear.
And the rear. Well, the motor.
Yeah.
All right, so there you have it. I've been sitting on this footage for a little while now, and I am happy to finally be able to release it. So SOTION not only makes a popular and powerful motor, but they're also making a front fork assembly. And if interested, you guys can pick up one of those at Powerful Lithium's website, or check out the link that I have in the description down below. If you're here on the West Coast, wintertime is here. This is that modding time, that modding season. So take full advantage of the fact that you guys are not riding and modify your ride. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't hesitate, smash that like button, leave a comment, I get back to everybody, and if you want to, please subscribe. So until the next video, peace out, everybody. Oh, and you have a new seat,
Yeah.
and it says dildo.
Wait a minute! I thought I took that sticker off.
This is Fiido.
Armin,
What?
I think he wants you. Alright, and not to get a little sidetracked from the FR-1 build, but they're doing something over here to Kuda's bike.